how to give your best performance in exams. So in this video I will cover the topic, very intriguing and often unachievable to many students. So basically, how to score high in exams. So basically in a cbse school, for example board exams, first tip is to study the NCERT very thoroughly, because in the blank or MCQ can come from it, and often students lose a couple of marks because they haven't read the NCERT thoroughly and they have just gone through the notes or the question bank but not through NCERT. So the first and foremost tip is to study NCERT thoroughly, not to leave a line unread. And secondly, like never to leave things for the last minute. For example, if you've done a topic in class, be sure to revise it after the class, so that you have done it 2 times, and for the exams you will have to prepare it with less time. You can do it more conveniently. So second tip is revise second time after class. It will help to retain many facts, figures and concepts. So even if you haven't studied all the concepts, you still remember some from the revision you did after the class. And thirdly, while giving exams, don't be too nervous, because being nervous often makes us forget. So be confident. And the fourth one is that often students, since they don't know the answer, they write stories and stories of text, especially in bio, where the answer is not exactly known to us. So sometimes we write things surrounding it. Thing is, we won't get marks by it. We have to read the question again and frame the question multiple times to see if we have the answer for the other questions. So read questions thoroughly and try to frame them in another manner if you don't know them. So if you frame them in another way, then you will understand that if you really know it. If you don't know the exact answer to that question, so framing it really helps, since you will have more probability of knowing the answer. So these were some tips to score well in exams. These are general tips, and for really understanding the concepts, you can see my other videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Continue watching. Thank you.